Hey guys, and here is our final video lesson for math this week. It is lesson 3. Let's get started with reviewing our homework. Here we go, page 153. Alright, let's get started. Let's write it down in the vertical version. So we have, I'll make it a little bit bigger for you here. Oops. There we go. 396 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. Carry the 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So our answer is 1,980. All right. Next up is there we go. 862 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Oops. That was a weird 7. 1,724. Next up is 4,695 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 9 is 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. So we have 6 here, carry the 7. 8 times 6 is 48. Okay, 48 plus 7 equals, so 8 plus 7 is 15. So we have a 5 here, and then carry the 1, we have 55. Okay, so carry the 1 there. And now we have a 5 in the hundreds place, and a let me double check this really quick. 8 times 5 is 40. Good. 8 times 9 is 72, plus 4 is 76. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 7 is 55. Right. Good. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 5 equals 30. 37. So finally we have 37,560. Okay? 37,560. I'm sure with all of this practice, all of you are going to be experts at multiplication. I hope watching this helps you remember and do it more quickly. I know it's very boring to watch because it's a lot of watching numbers, but I hope you're checking all of your work. Okay, 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. So the answer is 45,710. Yes, this is a 7. Okay. And of course we have a bunch more to do down here. Now, to save time, I'll do these very fast for you. Okay? and I just want you to check your answers to see if they're right. So we have 6 times 6, 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. So that's a 13. Carry the 1. And 13. We have 1332. Next up is 8 times 6, 48. Carry the 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 4 is 28. 6 times 3 is 18. Don't forget to carry the 2 there. 18 plus 2 is 20. So we have 2088. All right. And next up, 9 times 5 is 40. And 5 times 9 is 45. So we have 4,540. Next we have 6 times 7 is 21. And then we have 3 times 6 is 18. So we have 1,821. 6 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 7, 42. So plus 1 is 43. Then we have 42 again. Plus 4 is 46. And 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. So we have 16,632. Next up is 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 1, 1. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 6 is 20. So we have 20,370. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4. So we have 5. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. 20,856. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 5 is 45. And 9 times, oops, that's my mistake there. I wrote 45, but I should write 5 and carry the 4 over here, right? 9 times 4 is 36 plus 4 equals 40. So now we have 40,581. Next up is I. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 28. I'm sorry, that's wrong. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 equals 22. Okay, 22,596. Next is 8 times 9, 72. Carry the 7. 8 times 9 is 72. So we have 72 plus 7 equals 79. So 9 here, and put the 7 there. And 8 times 4 is 32 plus 7 equals 39. So we put the 9 there, and we put our 3 here. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So 8 plus 3 is 11, so we have 11,992. Next we have 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 9, oops. 2 times 9, 18, plus 1 is 19. 19,208. 0 plus everything is 0. Easy last question. All right, let's move on to some classwork. So for this lesson, you should be doing this now. Pause the video and do page 154. All right, let's answer the questions and then fill in the puzzle below. Let's try orange now. So we have 298 times 7. 298 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Let me make this a bit bigger. So first, we need to answer all of these questions. So we have 6. And carry the 5. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 5 is 68. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 220. So we have 2086. Now we have 3 times 9 is 27. Carry the 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. And then we have 12 plus 1 is 13. Then we have 861. Then we have 2 plus 15 plus 9. So we have 952. And then we have 12. 1. Okay, because 4 times 0 is 0. 24, carry the 2, 8, 10, there we go. We have 10,412. Yes, this is a 4. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 6,236. Next we have 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 3 is 9. We have 9,972. Then we have 0, 0, 30. So it's a 0 again. Carry the 3. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So we have 23,000. Then we have 6. 6 times 1. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34,266. Then we have 81. So let's put an 8 here. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 plus 8 is 80. So let's put an 8 here and a 0 here. Then we have 81 plus 8 is 89. So let's put an 8 again. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 8 is 26. Okay, so we have 26,901. All right, let's see where we can write our numbers. So we need to find two numbers with 9. So two numbers with 9, we have G, okay, we have G, and we have D. So we have 952 here, and we have 9,972 here. Then we need something that starts with a 2. Do we have any 3 numbers that start with 2? No, we don't. So maybe this is wrong. Yep, we found a mistake in G. So let's erase G. Oops. All right, let's try to do this one again. All right. We'll make this a little bit bigger, and we'll write in green. 3 times 6 is 18. All right, it's not 12. So that means this is still going to be 1. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1. So that's the only mistake. That should be an 8. Okay. So now we need to find a 3 numbers with 8. So we have 861. Perfect. Now let's find some number that starts with a 6. Okay, we have one here, F. 6,236. Now let's find something that starts with a 3 with 5 numbers. We have an I here. So let's use this one. 34,266. Next we need to find something that four numbers that end with 6. What ends with a 6? This one ends with 6. F. Can we use it 2 times? I don't think so. Well, let's see. Do we have a number that has a 0 in the second digit? Yes. So let's fill that in first. E, 1,412. And, here it is. We have A, 2,086. So we found A. Now, which one has a 0 in the middle here? Let's find out. Maybe it is 23,000. That seems right. So let's put a 23,000 here. And then we can use J here, 26,901. And then all we have left is 13 and 37. 1377. 1,377. All right. Wow, we finished it. And we found a mistake in G. So that's important. If we see something wrong, we have to look back. All right, let's go to the next page. We are beginning page 155, which is multiplication by 2 digits. We are already doing this since last grade, so let's do this very quickly. So multiply 13 by 20. We have 13 times 20. We can do it this way. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 2 times, we're in the tens place, put a 0 here. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 1 is 2. Add it up, we have 260. Right. Good. Very simple there. Let's try number 2 here. 22 times 12. Okay, just like they have here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Then we need to put our 0. Okay, just like they do. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 2 is 2. Then add it up. 4, 6, 2. There we go, our final answer. All right, so we will have our homework as a game today for this last lesson. You'll find it in the line groups. Homework is a quiz-is. Everyone should finish it. You have until Monday, next class, to finish it. That's the date. We have 1 week from the time you get this, okay? All right. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.